Words we know. Read each word in the following table at a glance. या तक्त्यातील प्रत्येक शब्द एका दृष्टिक्षेपात वाचा. करूया सुरुवात. A, all, the, and, their, and, them, any, who, me, my, no, now, your, but, where, her, every, by, here, him, his, if, how, many, with, one, what, us, two, this, there, some, that, only, of, our, without, then, when. Now find rhyming words from the chart. या तक्त्यातील यमक जुळणारे शब्द शोधा. There, here, where, her, there. Then, when, one. What, that. But, without. From the chart, find the words that begin with T. The, their, them, to, this, their, that. Then, from the chart, find the words that end with O. Who, no, to.